Today we have a 2012 Buick Verano. Got a check engine light, ran the diagnostics, coming up as P0013, exhaust camshaft position sensor pretty much. So if you're looking to locate that, it's going to be on the front. You're going to have to take this cover off. And it's going to be right here. This one behind is going to be the exhaust camshaft position sensor. So you're going to need your replacement part. So this is the replacement. We're going to put it in and clear the code. And it should go. We're going to have to use a pick or a flathead to take this clip off. Little gray security tab. And we're going to push the harness in. And take off the harness. And down here is going to be a 10mm bolt. Securing that in. Get that on out of here. Make sure it's the right size with the new one. Got a replacement screw. What I'm gonna do is clean that on out there with some brake cleaner. Enter my new sensor. Install our clip, our locking tab on there. Now it's on. Now we're going to turn the car on with the key in for us. So we're going to clear all codes. All these codes were cleared. We're going to do another code scan. Just to double check. And no codes present, no codes present. And that is how you change on your Buick Verano, Buick Regal 2.4 liter, the exhaust camshaft position sensor.